My name is Marcus Harris. I'm a Chicago-based software and intellectual property attorney. Since 1999, I focused my practice on drafting and negotiating ERP-related contracts and litigating failed ERP implementations in courts across the country. Prior to forming my own practice, I worked in the legal departments of SAP and Infor. I understand how software vendors operate, and I understand what it takes to sue software vendors for failed implementations. Now, one of the most important provisions in any software license agreement is the license grant, and the license grant is important because it defines how you're able to use the software. And when you are negotiating a license grant, I think you want to focus on flexibility and predictability, and in today's marketplace that really means focusing on three key issues, and that is use by third parties, indirect access, and IOT or Internet of Things. Now, with respect to access to the software by third parties, you want to make sure that the license grant is broad enough to allow use and access by affiliates, subsidiaries, independent contractors, consultants, and service providers. You also want to ensure that to the extent that you are going to have applications and other systems interface and pull data from your enterprise software system, that type of indirect access is allowed in the software grant. You also want to make sure that the contract details how you're going to be charged for indirect access. You want to ensure that the license grant allows you to connect devices to your ERP system to pull data, analyze data, and collect data from that system. You also want to make sure that you understand the fee structure associated with doing that. Typically, ERP vendors are going to charge you based on the number of devices that are pulling data from your system, or they are going to charge you based on the amount of data that is being collected, analyzed, and processed, or charge you on any combination of those two. I think if you're going to draft and negotiate software license grants that focus on predictability and flexibility, you will tend to minimize the likelihood of an inadvertent breach. You're also going to minimize the likelihood of incurring unexpected fees and charges over time. If you have any questions about any of the issues in this video or any of our other videos, please feel free to give our office a call at 312-263-0570. Thank you.